Today I'll show you how to read a Google Trends chart so you can quickly understand what people are searching for and how interest changes over time. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly what you're looking at and how to adjust the view to get the insights you need. First, open your browser and go to trends.google.com. This is Google's free tool for exploring search interest. You don't need an account to use it, and it works in any modern browser. Once the page loads, you'll see a search bar at the top and some example trends on the main page. For now, we'll focus on using that search bar. In this video, you'll learn how to take any keyword or topic and see how its popularity has changed. Click inside the search bar and type in a word or phrase you're curious about. This could be a brand, a product, a public topic, or anything people might search for on Google. As you type, you may see suggestions appear. You can select one of those if it fits what you're looking for, or just finish typing your own term. After entering your keyword, click the Explore option. This is what loads the full Google Trends dashboard for your search term. Give it a moment and you'll be taken to a page with a line chart near the top. That main chart is the heart of Google Trends and it's labeled Interest Over Time. I'm going to walk you through how to understand what this chart is actually showing. The first thing to notice is that the vertical axis on the left does not show raw search numbers. Instead, it goes from 0 to 100. A value of 100 represents the peak popularity for your term within the selected time range and region. Every other point is scaled relative to that peak. So if you see a 50, that means the search interest is about half of the peak interest in that period, not half the total searches on Google. Along the bottom of the chart, you'll see dates or times, depending on the time range you're using. This lets you see how interest has moved up or down. Spikes usually mean a news event, a product launch, a holiday, or something that suddenly drew attention to your topic. Flat or low lines show periods with steady or minimal interest. I'll show you the easiest way to refine this chart so it actually answers your question. Just above the chart, you'll see several filters. Common ones include the geographic location, the time range, and the type of search. For location, you can choose worldwide or narrow it down to a specific country or region. This is helpful if you only care about interest in a particular market. Next, adjust the time range. You can choose options like past hour, past day, past week, or longer periods. Short ranges let you spot very recent spikes, while longer ranges help you see seasonal patterns or long-term growth and decline. You can also change the type of search, such as web search, image search, and others. This can be useful if, for example, you want to see whether people are mainly looking for images or just general information. Finally, scroll down below the chart. Here you'll see sections called Top Queries and Rising Queries. Top queries are the most popular related searches overall within your filters. Rising queries highlight terms that are growing quickly in interest, which can point to emerging topics or new angles on your main keyword. By exploring these sections together with the main chart, you can get a clear picture of not just how interest changes over time, but also what specifically people are searching for around your topic.